Of the many wonders of the natural world that surround each of us every day, it is only from space that we can fully comprehend the gift that is our home. Earth holds such splendor and gives us many things: beauty, curiosity, joy, but most importantly, Earth gives us life. For too long, many of us have taken for granted everything our planet gives us. We have polluted our atmosphere and our oceans and destroyed many unique habitats. This year, we have seen the influence of climate change like never before, with record high temperatures and extreme weather events causing devastation across every continent, affecting people's health and livelihoods. The urgency needed to save the planet is ever accelerating, while the time we have to make meaningful changes is ebbing away. But just as President John F. Kennedy had faith that humankind could put a man on the moon, I have the same faith today that we can repair and regenerate our planet in this critical decade. From moonshot to Earthshot, the seemingly unsolvable can be solved. The winners of last year's Earthshot Prize have already seen their solutions take giant leaps. This ingenuity and ambition from across the globe is continuing to inspire others. And tonight in Boston, the search to find, celebrate, and scale the next 5 inspiring Earthshot winners continues. Solutions that will protect and restore nature, revive our oceans, clean our air, build a waste-free world, and fix our climate. The ambition and innovation of tonight's 15 finalists will help put the world on a path towards a stable climate, where communities, nature, and oceans thrive in harmony. Together, we can achieve a sustainable future for generations to come. Together, we will change the future of our planet.